Welcome to DBeaver's YouTube channel. Shortcuts can greatly simplify your work with DBeaver. In our previous videos, we told you about the best hotkeys for new and existing SQL scripts. Today, we want to cover the top 5 shortcuts you'll find most useful when working with the data editor. Switch between Data Grid and Record View. The Record View is useful if the table contains numerous columns. By switching to it, you can only view the rows you have selected and conveniently copy data from one row to another if they are far apart in your table. To open this view, you need to select one or several rows and click on the Record button on the toolbar. This can be done even faster by simply pressing the Tab button on your keyboard. You can press this button again to get back to the data grid. Switch between presentations. Besides the table view, you can view your data grid in a plain text format, which uses an easy-to-read monospace font. This can be useful if the table cells contain long strings, and it's important for you to see all the data at once. In addition, in this mode, it can be easier to copy parts of data. To switch to this mode, you can click on the text button in the side menu of the editor, or just press Ctrl and the grave accent key. Edit cell value in a separate dialog. You can edit the data stored in a table cell by simply double-clicking on the cell. But in some cases, for example when a long string or JSON is stored in a cell, it's more convenient to edit them in a separate dialog box. You can open this window using the context menu of the data editor, or by pressing Shift-Enter. Undo changes. If you made one or more mistakes while editing the data in your table, you could undo all changes using the shortcut Ctrl-R. Apply changes to the database. When you're sure that all the changes you've made are correct, you can apply them to the database. To do this, you can use the corresponding button on the bottom toolbar, or simply press Ctrl-S. If you're working in manual or smart transaction mode, after using the shortcut, you'll need to click on the Commit button on the top toolbar for the changes to be applied. What else can you do with shortcuts? We have even more hotkeys which can significantly simplify and speed up your work with Data Editor. With their help, you can duplicate rows, copy values from the row above or below, open and close panels, and much more. You can find the complete list of shortcuts in DBeaver Preferences. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.